Trust me, I don't know.
Hopefully you get my way on that.
My God.
Bro, I couldn't see food at first.
Damn, boy, I told you that.
Like, every time I press it, they toss like the rugby.
Why didn't I?
Nah. I took up this morning. I took the tape. Back on the
Pretty bad.
I took this one drop it.
It's starting off here.
It's supposed to get down to 27, so it's gonna stick. Huh? I don't know, but they're calling for 2 to 4 inches and 20% chance tomorrow. I'll be back.
You finna go somewhere?
I gotta go take my daughter from my auntie.
I don't know. Hey, pick up some blacks, bro. Yeah. Pick up some blacks. I ain't got no cash on me. It's in my room. It's in my room. I got you if you get them for me, though.
I know, I kind of want this stuff. Maybe you'll reschedule
I would have got back from Article. We're wasted.
Let's look at a snowman. It's not enough snow to make a snowman.
If it snows enough, it'll be enough to have a snowball fight.
What we had to do here in winter section is just it accumulated over the cars. The winter section it accumulated over the cars, and that's where we got our snow from. So a snowball fight. That wasn't enough of it, really.
Oh look, it's furring.
I'm gonna stay home for this.
Yeah, it's too long. The ground's too long.
I mean, it's taking a little bit.
Supposed to get 1 to 3 inches tonight, gentlemen.
They count the
1 to 3 inches. Let's go snowball.
They almost hit you, dog.
That went in between all of your heads.
I have, but I didn't think it was enough for a big snowball.
I thought we were done with this. It's like game that. Let's go to NOLA. It's really fucking slow.
They should. They called off for like.
Yeah, they called it off for a chance of like literally they should be on 2 days off. Where are you? 2 minutes. Where? Hell is where? Actually, yeah, they like it.
But my test will be good.
I'm doing my playoffs.
So I have
It's snowing. Do we need to take that to Caroline? No, she doesn't feel good.
Hey, I do. What are you doing?
Is that her subway?
What?
What?